In this video, I'll show you how to remove objects in Lightroom. So this is the picture I'm working with. I've completely finished the edits on this picture. This is the after, and this is before. You can see all the objects, all the ships in the background, and after, completely gone. So it's a fantastic tool to remove objects, pretty much no matter what size you need to get rid of. It does a really great job. So in this case, I'll just reset all the edits here so I can show you how to do it. And zoom in. And there's a few different ways to do this. So just for the smaller objects, usually I just turn off the use generative AI. It does a pretty good job without that option. And pretty much you just need to select this remove button here. And then the object you want to get rid of, so completely select it like that. And as you can see, it's gone. If you want to, well, I don't know why you'd want to, but if you want to change the opacity, it's just with this slider here. But if you try to remove something, just leave it at 100%. And then for the bigger objects like this one, you're probably better off using generative AI. And maybe even detect objects in this case too, because it's quite large. But same again, you just select the whole thing. And then what it'll do, it'll give it an outline, and you can change how big or how small you want the outline to be. With the generative AI, you need to have a little bit of the outside of the object to be selected so it can kind of figure out what it's trying to replicate. But this one might be a bit big, so I'm just going to remove a little bit around the edges. Doesn't make too much of a difference really. And then from there you press the remove. Done a pretty good job. There's different variations, you can press next. And as you can see, they're all pretty good. If you want to remove more objects, just go along and do that as well. Just a very quick job, just so you get an understanding of what you need to do. But if you want to make it look better, you've got all the different tools you can use. So the generative AI, that does a really good job if it's not doing exactly what you want it to do.